Yeah, so I have the Cigman laser level set up. Just trying to keep this. I did have it there getting me started, and now I'm here. But you can see how I'm coming back in slightly from here. Ideally, probably should have started on that point and then scribed some of them boards in round so that they would just fall into the trusses, but I didn't, and I put like 140-50 screws in. So I'm just gonna, I'll just touch up here, just touch this section up with a wee piece, plus when I board it out it won't be much of a gap anyway, so it will be okay, not concerned. Again, maybe do need a track saw that's cuts just opened up slightly. Again, I can fill that with a bit of, might fill them ones with a wee bit of that expanding glue just to stop any gaps really. Again, not a massive thing, but yeah, laser level's working there. You can see it, it's touching point up here and running all the way through the back wall. Turn the brightness of it off, and then I just put these two boards up as well, just to make sure. Not that I don't trust the laser level, but it's just I will be buttoning another board up as so, staggered like so. So that will be happening. So better off making sure I do it as good as possible. But so far, yeah, guys, the battery powered Evolution saw has been working out good for me. Using it up here and then the drill as well. I do think them big screws are a bit hard going on the drill. They're a big screw. What are they? 80s. So they're big 80s. They are sort of giving it a good workout. But if I just even pin it and then put some of the smaller ones in, I'll be happy enough as well. Again, you have to stop, guys, with an overhang so that the next board can carry through. But I'm going to fix this one off now to have it straight. Happy that it's straight, because everything's coming off. A bit like the plasterboarding, guys, everything's coming off this line. So I want this line straight so that it doesn't get too out of square as we go. The only beauty about it is, guys, is this half wall does, you know, after I put another board in here, that's separate from that. So it does break up the line a bit, so that does help. And again, who's looking forward to all these nice awkward cuts? I'm going to have to measure and mark multiple times just to be safe. But yeah, let me get some screws in here. Got a marker up. I'm going to actually mark the joists here now, just to be doubly safe. Might put a few in first just to hold it so it doesn't move on me. But yeah, just to be doubly safe, because I don't want any misses. I don't even want any kiss in the side of the joist. I want them all nice and centre. The Cigman laser level working here. You can see I'm just going to work off the laser level. There is some gaps. I'll either have to batten these out on the face or plant something on the side to fix, because these ones are way in and then it goes tight again. So we're tight this end and tight that end, but a hollow in the middle. But we'll keep with the level straight. Again, just going to put two boards down just to allow some stuff up, but I want to get them on straight.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to Rack Plastering.